Hello, I'm going to show you how to create a project in CircuitVerse.org. So first, I recommend to have an account here, so you will have all of your projects saved and you can go back and check and work with them. So I have my own account. I'm going to go to project, new project, okay, and I'm going to name this project as Digital Logic Circuit Design. Now I have the project ready. Then you can enter a circuit name, add a circuit. You can draw your circuit in here, but you can also have sub-circuits or sub-IPs. Let's say buffer. So now I have one main module and then buffer module. This is how you can have a project in CircuitVerse. In future videos, I will show you how to design every single elements of digital logic circuits.